How to adjust letter spacing in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft document. Simply click the whole sentence or a particular word where you want to adjust the letter spacing. Go to the drop down menu of your font. Go to Advanced. And now you can simply make changes here. You can see the option of scale. Simply increase the percentage of the scale. You can also see the preview at the bottom. In spacing, choose the option of expanded and also by 3 or 4 points. In position, you can simply choose normal. After that, check the box for kerning of fonts. Then after, click on OK. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to adjust spacing between letters in Microsoft Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.